In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play raids in Attack on Titan Evolution. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to join raids in Attack on Titan Evolution. All that you have to do is join the experience, and usually you will spawn over here at the back. So, you will see a lot of pads that you can stand on, such as upgrade, regiment, equipment, and so on. But if you keep going forward towards this direction, you will see this red pad on the distance towards the right. As you can see, this is where you will be able to join raids. So just keep going forward, and all that you have to do is step on this pad. Now, right now, when I join the server, the raids are opening in 21 minutes, but depending on the time that you join, it might already be open. And then once this opens, all that you have to do is stand here, and as long as you have multiple players standing, all of you will be able to join. I'm gonna try to relaunch the experience to see if I'm able to get on the pad or if I get a different timer. Sadly, I don't know of any other means to actually make this timer go by quicker, so you will just have to wait until it is open and you are able to join. So just go ahead, join the casual hub and go all the way to the back. You will be able to choose from a variety of raids, just like you would if you stood on any other pad that you see related to missions or other options. So this is going to be the full path. You will spawn into the hub and you just have to go all the way to the back. You will be able to do these raids alone with random people or with your friends. All that you have to do is join the same server, and once you go all the way to the back, you will find the raids pad where you can sit on, and all of you will be transported once a raid opens. Now once again, this server also has raids opening in 20 minutes, so sadly you will just have to wait until you are able to get in. But once they are open, you just have to stand on the pad. So I'm gonna demonstrate this with waves, but all that you have to do is go ahead and stand here, and all of you will be transported together once it is open. I hope I was able to help you on how to play raids in Attack on Titan Evolution. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.